Not because of that.
No, just back inside.
Okay. Yung love scene, kasi dapat kiss ko siya sa neck, tapos dito.
Oh, what did I say?
What?
The neck was like, okay, kiss her here. And I said, next to the Adam's apple?
Kasi may Adam's apple ako eh. Hindi ako. Kailangan ng kiss na tender dito sa shoulder. O sa neck ba yun? Hindi ko talaga magawa. As in, tawa sila na ng tawa, tapos hindi ko talaga magawa ng tama. Yun, hindi ko embarrassing kasi parang hindi ako marunong sumalik.
No comment.
So yun. Nakakahiya. Kasi tawa na sila ng tawa. Yung simple na ganun lang dapat yung lips na gagawin. Hindi ko talaga magawa. Ang ginagawa ko parang ganun lang. Ganun lang. Yun. Kaya hiya ka sinama yun eh. Walang sinamang ganun.
And then Direk kept trying to explain to her how.
Yeah.
Even Direk kissed me here.
Hindi ko magawa. Hindi talaga.
Hi to Bougie Gang.
From Blue Angel again. Gusto niyang malaman kung gaano na daw kayo ka-close ngayon. Super text buddies na din ba kayo and do you go out on dates?
Next.
Close, oo. Super close. As in, iba na yung level ng friendship. Textmates, oo. Yeah. No? Okay, no.
We're not that close, actually. No, we're close. We're closer now than we were before.
Yeah.
Next.
May pinagtataguan ka ba?
Ikaw.
Wala.
Want me to ask you a question? Want me to ask you a question? Okay.
Super text buddies din daw ba kayo and do you use text language pag nag-text? Kasi Gucci daw ba paano siya mag-text? Is it
I don't.
You want me to tell them what you text?
No, I don't. I use predictive text. I don't know how to text from text. Something. Ikaw.
Ano?
How do you text?
Wala, text lang. Text, like, pag may mag-i-invite, or are you going? Ganyan. Like that. And, that's it. Yun lang. Magsalita ka naman!
What?
Are you writing something?
Are you?
No, not. Yun.
Hold up.
Yeah, para na-explain ko.
Okay, next question naman for Gucci. Ayan. If there was one song daw from 2009 that you can dedicate or sing to Kay, what would it be? Sing a few lines naman for us.
Quit playing games.
Song from 2009.
2009.
Hindi pa raw. Dapat. Diba?
What song?
2009, no?
DJ ka, alam mo.
I don't want to sing.
Ano ba?
Ano ikaw?
Ikaw yung tinanong
Oh,
niya.
Song that you would dedicate to Kay.
I've dedicated songs to you. Just want to dedicate. Should be questioned. There's a song.
Ano yung song? Ano yun? Bilang mo. Hindi ko alam!
But it's a song by a band. Next question.
Okay, next question. Actually, comment siya from Rose ko. Sabi niya, Kay, good luck sa Iliyo. Ngayon palang guest actress ka na.
Oh, wow.
Is Gucci going to watch?
Unang-una, salamat. Thank you. Sana manalo. Pati yung movie sana manalo. And sa October 18. Yan, premiere. Sa Market, 6:30. Oh, manonood ka ba?
Yeah, we'll try.
Wow, we'll try.
No, I'm not gonna watch it because everyone has to support. Everyone needs to come and watch that. It's a big deal. Support your local artists in mga festivals like this.
Sa Market yun. 6:30. Sunday.
Yeah.
From Aya naman, how daring or how far can you go for a role?
Ako, basta kailangan sa scene or basta kailangan sa film kung hanggang saan yung kaya ko. Ano lang, likod. Likod, braso, legs, chan, cleavage pwede.
Correct image.
Yun lang. Okay lang mga cleavage.
Yeah.
Ayun. Kasi hindi man kailangan sa scene.
Yeah, hindi mo kailangan. Walang bayad.
Ikaw, how far?
How far? Depends. I mean, the role calls for it. And
So kung sabihin na ubad, wala lahat?
if it fits the script, if it fits the
Yeah,
character.
so what if? Gagawin mo?
I don't know. I'll have to think about it. I have to read this, how the script is and how everything is. It has to be tasteful. Everything has to be tasteful. It tastes good.
Hintayin ko yun. Piling ko yun.
And complete the sentence naman daw. This is for both of you. Kay is somewhere in my heart because blank, and Gucci is somewhere in my heart because blank. Diba? Pinapahirapan kayo ng mga shatters na.
I know!
Challenge nila talaga kayo.
Yes.
You go first.
Ikaw muna.
Ikaw.
I'm still thinking.
No, you go first.
No,
No, you go first.
No, you go.
Ay, nako. Go first.
Somewhere in my heart. What's somewhere in my heart? Like,
Kay is somewhere in my heart because blank.
Gucci is somewhere in my heart. Question mark. Yun yung akin.
talaga?
Hindi. Gucci is somewhere in my heart because
It's cold outside.
because he's my friend.
Yeah, good answer.
Oh, hindi mo na pwede gayahin.
K is somewhere in my heart. I can't use that anymore.
No. Sabi mo ako muna.
K is somewhere in my heart.
Because I'm small.
Because she is small.
I can fit in
Because
his
she-
heart.
That's a hard one. Because she's my friend.
Yes.
Because she's my friend too. See? T-O-O. Oh, that's different.
Okay, fine.
Okay, next question. Please share naman to us some traits na na-discover ninyo about each other na feeling nyo ay hindi pa alam ng ibang tao, especially ng fans about Kay and Gucci. Eto na, bookingan portion na.
Yan. Siya yan. Kung yung mga characters niya sa palabas, suplado type, ganyan. Sa totoong buhay ko, may sapi siya. Yan, no? Yung minsan bigla na lang siyang patawa. Tapos, minsan may tatanong at tapos iba yung isasagot niya. Yun, may sapi po siya. And ano pa ba?